Hello viewer, it's an image. We are going to edit that image. We will remove it and unlock the picture here in Photoshop. This tutorial will give you an idea how to edit your pictures in Photoshop. So you can subscribe our channel to get more updates and editing videos there. So this will help you to make it more attractive. I will teach you how to make a skillful structure there. You will use the features of Photoshop and also tools you have to introduce there. I will use the vibrance saturation as well. So let's add a paint there. So that's our design. We have it